Welcome to Techie Jack. In this video we will see how you can choose a fast web hosting for your business website. You know that every business needs a fast website, which is very useful for good user experience on website, which makes the navigation quick and easy for the user. Even if you are doing a Google promotion or search engine optimization, a fast loading website is a very helpful to get more leads. Let me show you the page loading speed of a website which is not using any plugin for increasing the speed. Friends, this is a website that is CWP If I refresh it, you can see how quickly it gets refreshed. And if we navigate the page, like if we go to this page, shared hosting, you can see how quickly it navigated to the page. And if you navigate to the other page like WordPress hosting, you can see how quickly it's moving to the different pages. You can see it is loading the page without taking any time. And let me tell you that this website is created on the WordPress. And if you have a static website, you can imagine how fast it will be. So a reason behind this speed is PHP FPM. If you go to the Google and search for the PHP FPM, you can see that PHP FPM is a fast CGI process manager and is alternative to the fast CGI implementation of PHP with additional features. And it is the preferred method of processing PHP pages and is faster than the traditional CGI based methods such as SUPHP or mod PHP. So this website is using PHP FPM. So that's why you can see how fast it is loading. It is loading quickly. If you open it on your computer, you can see the speed. It will load quickly. Friends, if you also want your website with the lightning speed, you can try a web hosting plan from this website, that is from CWP hosting. And if you compare the plan, they are completely affordable. You can see the shared web hosting at 99 rupees per month, and they are using the solid state drives, dedicated support, and if you are not happy, you have a 15 days money back guarantee as well. And I guarantee you that your website loading speed will be the fast. If you compare the plan, you have a monthly and yearly plan. If you select the yearly plan, you can see you can get the hosting at 99 rupees per month. If you go for the complete 1 year with the one website, you get the 20 GB of SSD storage and unlimited bandwidth with 5 email accounts. And moreover, you also get the free SSL certificate with this package. I would also like to tell you that the CWP hosting does not hide any feature from the user, and the best part is that you get all the feature even with a single web hosting. And the server is protected with the powerful firewall and you get all the features. If we go to the user panel, you can see you get all these features. You get the antivirus and malware scanning tool free with all the plans. Along with this, you also get the free SSL certificate. Here you can see the auto SSL. You get the free SSL certificate from the Let's Encrypt, where you can save the cost of your SSL certificate. Moreover, if you go to this CWP setting, you also get the mod security, and with the file management, you also get the file system lock here, which is a powerful feature to protect the files of your website. And the panel is completely user friendly, just like a Plesk and the cPanel. You can see you have DNS zone editor, email account, database, phpMyAdmin, SQL manager, and you have a script as well where you can install the multiple application like Laravel, Symfony, WordPress, and there are plenty of other as well. You can manage the DNS function as well. You can manage the DNS zone from here as well, and all the features related to the web hosting similar to the Plesk and the cPanel. If you want to get the fast hosting for your website, you can visit the website cwphosting.net. If you want a WordPress hosting, you can select the WordPress hosting and you can get the plan for your WordPress hosting. Or if you need a shared hosting, you can choose the plan with 99 rupees per month if you are hosting a single website. And all shared web hosting plan include all these features. I guarantee you that your website will be fast. You can try the web hosting package from the CWP hosting and host your website with the lightning speed. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.